sand. It flows along forever with trees on either hand. Green leaves, a floating castle of the foam. Boats of mine a boating here will all come home. On goes the river and out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill. Away down the river 100 miles or more, other little children shall